Hello everyone, welcome to Infigyan. In this very exciting video of indefinite integral. Today we are going to solve one JEE problem, that is integration sec square x over sec x plus tan x, power is 9 over 2 dx. We will solve this question by substitution and few manipulations are there. So after watching this video, you will get to know why this question is from JEE. Let me consider sec x plus tan x equal to t. Okay, let's take derivative. So sec x tan x plus derivative of tan x is sec square x dx equal to dt. I will take sec x common. So sec x, what will be left in the bracket? That would be tan x plus sec x dx equal to dt. So our substitution was sec x plus tan x equal to t. So it will become sec x dx equal to dt over t. This term is t. So dt over t. Now point is sec square is there. So only sec x dx I will substitute this dt over t. So for one extra sec x, what I will do, see the manipulation. I will consider one trigonometric identity, that is sec square x minus tan square x equal to 1. This is what we know. Now difference of square. So it will become sec x plus tan x in one bracket, sec x minus tan x in other bracket equal to 1. So from here this value is t. So from here we will get sec x minus tan x equal to 1 over t. Sec x minus tan x will be 1 over t. Now if you will consider this is your equation A, this is your equation B, add A plus B. Add A and B equations. Once I will add, then it will come out 2 sec x equal to t plus 1 over t, or sec x in terms of t, that would be half t plus 1 over t. This point is the most important step. So second sec x I will replace by this. So this integration will convert into, I will write in this manner first, sec x into sec x dx over sec x plus tan x power is 9 over 2. Okay, now first sec x, this bracket sec x, I will replace it by half t plus 1 over t. So let me write there, I will write half t plus 1 over t. The other sec x dx, I will write there dt over t. And our denominator is, this is t raised to the power 9 over 2. Open the numerator, it will give us, half is a scalar quantity, put it outside. So that will give us 1 plus 1 over t square dt over t raised to the power 9 over 2. Okay, in next step we will write half integration t raised to the power minus 9 over 2 plus 1 over t square, and this is your 4.5 plus 2 6.5. So t would be minus 13 over 2 dt. Okay. Now let's write that value half integration t raised to the power minus 9 over 2 plus t raised to the power minus 13 over 2 dt. Now we know that in integration this is very common and general formula, that is x power n dx. If we are going to find out, then that is x power n plus 1 over n plus 1 and plus 1 integration constant, suppose k. You can write c also. So our integration will convert into half times, we'll write t raised to the power minus 9 over 2 plus 1 over t raised minus 9 over 2 plus 1. Denominator we have got the exponent plus 1 plus t raised to the power minus 13 over 2 plus 1 divided by minus 13 over 2 plus 1, and that integration constant k. Okay, let's find out after simplification of this value what we'll be getting. It will become minus 7 over 2 and denominator will be as usual minus 7 over 2. Likewise you calculated in the numerator, that is t raised to the power minus 11 over 2 over minus 11 over 2 plus k. Okay, so denominator will go up, or you can insert this half directly, so that value will be t raised to the power minus 7 over 2 over minus 7. Let me take minus outside, so 7 plus t raised to the power minus 11 over 2 over 11 and plus integration constant k. Okay, now we will take our negative exponent in the denominator, so it will become minus 1 over 7 t raised to the power 7 over 2 plus 1 over 11 t raised to the power 11 over 2 and plus integration constant k as usual minus, what I am going to do, I will take 1 over t raised to the power 11 by 2 common. Then what will be left in the brackets? It will come out t square over 7. You can check. If you will take, then it will be 11 minus 7, so 4 over 2, so t square, and plus 1 over 11 plus k, integration constant k. Now I will put back the value of our substitution t, that was sec x plus tan x. So if I will write that value, that will be our answer. Let me write sec x plus tan x whole power is 11 over 2 bracket t square, that means sec x plus tan x whole square divided by 7 plus 1 over 11 and plus integration constant c or k. This is our complete answer for the integration. I hope you like this video. This question was from JEE, and I hope you understood the points which I delivered. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to give thumbs up like impression also.